Today, the kids are making my food. Now, normally you guys know I love making fun recipes and things for my kids to try, but in honor of Mother's Day, we're switching jobs. Today, the kids are gonna be in charge of breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert. All of these recipes are gonna be super simple, and I'm hoping that they turn out well. Okay guys, are you ready?
Yeah!
To decide who's gonna make what, I have a scavenger hunt for you. What you have to do is look all around the kitchen and find your little blue paper to tell you what you're going to make. Ready? Go! Okay guys, let's see what you got.
I'm making Mommy's breakfast. I'm in charge of lunch. I've got dinner. I'm making dessert.
That's the best part. Okay, Kenzie, for breakfast, I'd like to have a burrito. Can you make that?
Yeah, I think so. It might not be the most beautiful burrito, but it will still be edible.
And to make this easy, you're gonna cook the eggs in a mug. Okay, Kenzie, step number 1. You're gonna crack your eggs into the mug, and to make it a little bit easier, you can use this egg cracking gadget.
Ooh, that's cool. Oh no!
Oh, it worked! Step number 2, you're gonna be adding in the cheese, the ham, and the salsa right into here. Looking good. Okay, a little bit of salt and pepper is next. Okay, your next step is to beat up everything with a fork.
Okay. I think that's good.
All right, now the next step is to stick it in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, let's see if it's cooked all the way. Ooh, looks pretty good. Let's check it. I'm not a big fan of runny eggs. Oh no, it's still runny in the center. Okay, let's do 1 more minute.
Okay.
1 more minute. Okay, after 1 more minute, it's looking pretty good. It's no longer watery or jiggly at all. Oop, it's fogging up my camera. Ah!
Denied.
That's my breakfast!
But I want to try it.
Okay, so go ahead and grab a little knife so you can run it around the edges and sort of loosen up that egg so we can get it out of there. Your next step is to dump the eggs on a tortilla and wrap it up. Is it coming out?
Yeah.
Is it stuck? Oh, we should have sprayed it with some nonstick spray first. Oh, hey, it's working! Now kind of break up the egg because I don't want my burrito to be in a lump. But don't cut the tortilla. Yes, 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 you got it.
Oh no, there's a cut in it.
Hi, I'm Mr. Burrito.
Here's your talking breakfast burrito.
Okay, I'm so excited to try this, Kenzie. It smells really good. It's actually so good. Kenzie, you did such a good job. 2 thumbs up. Now, surprise, you have to try it too.
That's so good. I love it.
Should we make everybody else try it?
That's the wrong way. You try it.
I give this breakfast a 0 because I don't like eggs.
I give this breakfast 5 stars.
I give it 5 yards.
You really liked it?
I rate it 5 stars.
Okay, Lily, for my lunch today, I would like to have shrimp and salad.
Okay.
And a dirty Coke. Do you know how to make that?
No.
I'll tell you. First, we're gonna need to get this air fryer over there and plug it in. Okay, next you're going to put about 4 of these shrimps in here.
Okay.
Your face looks a little bit worried, miss.
5.
Why does your face look worried?
I don't want to eat this.
No? So now take the basket and put it in the air fryer. Okay, so air fry and start. Okay, now let's make the salad. Now I know this might sound weird, but I really like a strawberry spinach salad. So the first thing you're gonna need is some spinach. You're also going to need a few strawberries, some delicious poppy seed dressing, and then to make the salad even better, I love bacon bits and nuts. Okay, Miss Lily, step number 1, can you cut the tops off of the strawberries and then slice them?
There we go.
Okay, babe, for your next step, you're going to go ahead and build the salad. So go ahead and put some spinach on the plate.
Okay.
Not too much, I don't need a huge salad, but probably more than that. Keep going. Okay, that's good. I'm not Popeye, I don't need a ton of spinach. Okay, now it's time for some toppings. We're gonna put the strawberries. Next, let's add some bacon bits. Looking good. Now some nuts would be really good. These are honey glazed pecan pieces and they are so good on a salad, so make sure to put extra. Do you think you can put the salad dressing on without putting too much on? Gotta pour it very carefully. Yep, move it around. Oh, you're doing so good. Keep going, keep going. Okay, I think that's enough. Good job. All right, I think the shrimps are ready. Yeah, nice and crispy. Let's get some tongs. This looks like a fancy restaurant. You're doing a great job. All right, now the lunch is done, but don't forget about the dirty Coke. To make a dirty Coke, I like to use Coke Zero, but you can use any kind you want. You're also going to need some fresh limes. The more the better. And then the star of the show is this coconut creamer. And usually you use this for coffee, but I love it in my Coke.
Sometimes I put this in my oatmeal.
Ooh, tropical oatmeal sounds good. Step number 1, fill this glass up with ice.
Ooh.
I love extra ice in my dirty Coke.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, miss. Go ahead and pour that into the cup, but
All of it?
I don't know. Try not to overflow it. Just put as much as can fit.
Okay.
Okay, for your next step, you're gonna take the limes, you're gonna put it in the juicer and squeeze the juice in the drink. Yeah, you're doing it. Keep squeezing. Make sure you're over the cup.
No.
Good job. Now when all the juice is out of that one, do the other one because I love extra lime juice. You did it! Good job. Okay, now the last step is to add just a little bit of this coconut creamer. Not too much or it's gonna be really sweet. All right, we're gonna need a straw. Now you're going to use a straw to stir it up.
Okay. I'm all done making lunch.
Ooh, this looks so fancy. Thank you. Can I have my drink too?
Oh, okay. Here you go.
Thank you. Okay, Lily, which one should I try first?
Maybe the drink.
Okay, let's give it a try. It's sweet and tart, creamy, it's super good. Now let's give this salad a try. Ooh, I got plenty of dressing over here. Okay, miss, this was so yummy, but now you have to try it.
Okay. But I'm not trying the shrimp. I give the shrimp 0 stars because I don't really like shrimp.
What about the salad?
I give the salad 3 stars. And I give the drink 4 stars.
Okay, should we have everybody else try it?
Yeah. Kids, come on!
I give the shrimp 5 stars, I give the salad 4 stars, and I give the drink 3 stars. I give the shrimp 3 stars, and I give the salad 5 stars, and I give the drink 3 stars.
The drink this much.
You like the drink, but did you like the shrimp?
Only if it has ketchup.
Shrimp only with ketchup. What about the salad?
I only like it with a lot of cheese.
Oh, we didn't put any cheese on it. Wah wah. Okay, Jackie Jackson, are you ready?
Yeah.
For my dinner, I would love to have a tortellini soup. Can you make that? I'll tell you how. It's really easy. You only need like 4 or 5 ingredients. You can do it. To make this really easy, we're starting with some tomato basil soup. but we're gonna add just a couple of things. You're gonna add some of these cheese tortellini from Costco. You're going to add some Italian seasoning, a little bit of salt and pepper, and you're gonna top it off with plenty of cheese. Go ahead and put your pot on there. And we're gonna turn it on to medium. You gotta turn it the right way. Okay, now you're gonna take this soup, you're gonna open it up and you're gonna put about half of it into the pot. So now you're gonna go ahead and add in your tortellini. You're just gonna add the whole thing in with the soup. This sauce is heating up really quick. You're gonna wanna go ahead and add in some Italian seasoning, but make sure to use the shaker side because we don't need that much, just a little bit.
Is that good?
Yeah. Now add in a little bit of salt and pepper. And you know what? I forgot, but I think some fresh spinach would be really good in this. So I'm gonna get you some spinach, okay? Okay, so this spinach is left over from lunch. Go ahead and tear it up into smaller pieces and add it into the soup. Oh, this is already smelling so good. Go ahead and give it a stir. And this is fresh pasta, so it's gonna cook really fast. You just need to keep an eye on it. Okay, Jack, now go ahead and turn it off. It looks like it might be done. Let's let it cool down a little bit and then we can put it in a bowl. Does it smell good? It kind of smells like lasagna. All right. Now the very last thing it needs is cheese. Sprinkle some cheese on there.
I want cheese too.
You want cheese too? Uh-oh. Ooh, it smells so good. If only I had some breadsticks, it would feel like I was at the Olive Garden. Should I give it a try?
Okay.
That is actually really good. But you know what? Now you have to try it.
Okay.
Mom, how good does it taste?
It's actually really good. You want to try it too? Okay, let's let Jackson try it. Oh, don't spill it. Oh no, somebody get him a napkin. How many stars? 5 stars.
I give it 5 stars.
5 stars. 4 stars.
I'm ready.
Okay, buddy, for dessert, you're gonna make something really simple. And the main ingredient is Nutella.
I love that.
Me too. You also need some of this. Do you know what this is?
What?
It's Cool Whip.
I love that.
It's like whipped cream. And then you're gonna be using some of these cookies. Ooh, they're like straws. And do you know what these are?
What?
Chocolate sprinkles.
My sister Lily's gonna help me.
Are you gonna help him?
Yeah.
Thank you, big sister.
Yeah.
Okay, so the first thing you need to do is take a big scoop, well, probably 2 or 3 or maybe 4 big scoops of Nutella and put it in the bowl.
Okay.
Ready, go.
No,
You guys are looking like a chocolatey mess. Okay, you ready for the next part?
Yeah.
You're gonna add in half of this thing of Cool Whip.
Ooh, with
Here you go.
what? These are chocolatey.
I'll get you another one. Hold this.
Okay.
Okay. Griffin, can you scoop it in there?
Come on, Griffin. Done off that one with this one, so we one humongous scoop.
Okay guys, so now that we finally got all of the ingredients in the bowl, Griffin is going to whisk it and you're gonna hold the bowl so it doesn't go flying.
Here you go.
And you're going to mix the two together.
Okay.
So it's kind of like we're making a Nutella mousse. Ooh, keep mixing. Okay buddy, this is looking so good. But I have a couple more things for you to add, okay? Do you think you can add a little bit of this?
Yeah.
Do you know how to do this?
How can you put them in?
You have to point it down at the drink or at the dessert, and then you have to kind of push a little. Keep pushing. Yeah, you did it. Good job. That's probably enough. All right, now we need a little bit of sprinkles on top. Just a little bit, not the whole thing. Okay, that's good. Now, can you put 2 cookies?
1, 2. This looks super good.
Super good. Let's give it a try. Ooh, thank you. Can I have a spoon?
Here you go.
Thanks, buddy. Let's give it a try. Mmm.
Can it taste good?
Mm-hmm. It's very good. It's very light and airy because of all the whipped cream in there.
I want some. I want some.
And of course, those cookies are so yummy.
My
Okay, give it a try. Is it a thumbs up? Yeah, thumbs up. Should we let the other kids try it? You think they're gonna like it? Is it so good? Who gives this 5 stars? Everybody?
Thanks for watching.
Okay guys, now let me know in the comments down below, out of breakfast, lunch, dinner, or dessert, which recipe was your favorite? I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a happy Mother's Day.